everybody. Good evening. My name is Vinu Venkatesh and welcome to another class with me on the English language with Sai Education. We're going to start lecture 17 today. It's going to be on adjectives. So I think we'll start without further ado. Okay, so what are adjectives? Adjectives are words which modify, qualify or describe nouns and pronouns by answering the questions what kind, how many, which one and how much. They tell us the characteristics of the nouns and pronouns. What are characteristics? Characteristics are nothing but the color, size, amount, quantity, weight, length, height, possession, interrogation, etc. of the noun or the pronoun. Okay, let's look at some examples. For example, I have a red car. Here, what is a characteristic of the car that's being discussed? We're discussing the color of the car, which is red, and it is an adjective. Similarly, give me a little sugar. Little is an adjective because it tells us the quantity or the amount of sugar. Okay, it answers the question how much of that particular noun, which is sugar. Next, I have many friends. Again, same as number 2. Basically, it tells us how many friends do I have. How many of that noun, which is friends, do I have? The example number 4. His car is green. Now, his and green are adjectives here. His is called a possessive adjective because it tells us who the car belongs to, right? So me, mine, your, etc. are also possessive adjectives. These are also, if you remember, possessive case pronouns, but you have to think of them as possessive adjectives as well, okay? Next one, which shirt is old? Now, which, whose, and what? So which, whose and what are interrogative adjectives. So in this sentence, which shirt is old, we have 2 adjectives, which as well as old, okay? Because these tell us the characteristics of that noun shirt. Now phrases or a group of words can also be adjectives. For example, the exam was unbelievably easy. Here, what is the adjective? Is it easy only? No, it is unbelievably easy. Means it was very, very easy. So I hope your exams are also unbelievably easy. People think aliens are smarter than humans. Now, smarter than humans is also an adjective. It's a phrase, but it tells us the degree to which aliens are thought to be smart as by people. Okay, we'll talk about rules and we'll talk about examples. So don't worry about that right now. Now, adjectives are mainly of 2 types: attributive adjectives and predicative adjectives. Attributive adjectives are nothing but adjectives which are followed by a noun or a pronoun. For example, example number 1, 2, yes, 1, 2, 3, yes. See, I have a red car. So red is followed by the noun car. Give me a little sugar. Little is followed by the noun sugar. I have many friends. Many is followed by the noun friends. Predicative adjectives, on the other hand, are not followed by nouns or pronouns. Instead, they usually come after a noun and a verb. For example, his car is green. Green is the adjective which is coming after the noun car and verb is. Example 5, which shirt is old? Old is an adjective which is a predicative adjective because it is coming after the noun shirt and verb is. Now, I beg your pardon, under attributive adjectives, I have said example 6 is also an example of attributive adjective. It is wrong. It is actually an example of predicative adjective. Why so? Because in the first one, the exam was unbelievably easy. Unbelievably easy comes after the noun exam and the verb was. Similarly, in the second one, smarter than humans is an adjective, as we discussed. It is coming after the noun aliens and the verb are, right? So it is a predicative adjective. You will see this more going ahead. So, just keep this in mind for the time being. Now, position of adjectives is nothing but what we just discussed. Adjectives come before the noun or after the nouns as words or phrases. So we just saw this. So before the noun meaning attributive adjectives and after the noun as words or phrases would be predicative adjectives. So this brings us to the end of the lecture. Today it has been mainly theoretical. We will be looking at the rules and many more examples next time. So if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Until then, wish you all the very best and take care.